Y'all, my family, me, JC, Xavier, Alexa, and my mom, are about to leave to go down to my grandma's house because my mom has to go to work. And it takes a lot of skill to do this because it takes us forever to get in the car. And it's like freezing outside. And get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Okay.
And she works at Shaloshi's.
Yeah, she works where he said. Get in the car.
It's so good.
You're stupid, Xavier.
No, they're hammer teas. It's so good.
Okay, shut the door.
Isn't it, Raven? No.
Yeah, shut the door. So yeah, that's what we're doing today because you guys are stalkers. No, I'm just kidding.
And then we went there yesterday. I ate the whole sandwich cheese. That's so good. Me it. I love it. I want to marry his I want to marry that burger.
You're just dumb.
I'm just kidding.
Okay, so peace out, y'all.
Peace.
Peace. Everyone say peace.
Peace. You good, JC?
Say peace.
Peace. No.
Just say bye then.